Playing in the showroom again. Good day, everybody. Let's talk bit of a rare gem. 1933 Smith Premier. You say Smith Premier, you have something totally different in your mind. Got a case, got a new handle on it. And this is what falls out. This is basically a Remington 2 portable. Only this particular guy, let's get that in the case real good. Made in England. I'm sure somebody has all the backstory and information on this machine, and if you do, please feel free to share it in the comments. But like any good portable, this thing took a minute to really get going. It came to us a little finicky, but some new rubber. Had to rebuild, repair, replace the core, platinum core, a few other good things. But we got it going as we do. Nice glass keys, and I thought just for the fun of it, I'd go ahead and let's cut the paperback there. Go ahead and just spin it. Sometimes things are so nice, you really gotta put them on a turntable to appreciate it. But as all good things, we got this going. It was totally worth it. On our showroom floor, available for sale if you're interested. 1933 Smith Premier. This is definitely a machine that was not played on too much, but it has a lot of love left to give the next owner. Okay, you know where to find us. Typewritermuse.com.